My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker that is called tabs mode. So this tabs mode is a browser hijacker that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to actually make them download this browser hijacking extension called tabs mode. The trouble with this extension is that often it is spread through integration with many free programs, and it may also be presented through fake software or browser update alerts. Anyway, if this tabs mode extension was mistakenly added, you should get rid of it. Access the menu, go to more tools, then extensions. So disable and remove this extension from your browser as soon as possible. I would also recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and begin investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.